911, what is the address of your emergency?
43rd Avenue, Union Hills, Asiana Market.
What's going on there?
There's a man with a knife, and he's drunk, and he's assaulting the customers.
Ma'am, is he threatening anybody with it?
Yes, he is. He hasn't threatened with a knife yet, but he is armed.
Is he inside or outside with the store?
He's inside right now, and he's threatening them.
Drop the knife.
No.
Put it on the ground.
I'm gonna fuck you up.
Put it on the ground. Put it on the ground.
Get out of my face.
Uh-uh.
Get your fucking face out of here.
He's threatening people. I need another unit now.
Get out of my fucking face.
Put the knife down.
Shut your fucking mouth.
No.
Bitch.
Put the knife down.
Shut up.
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 Put the knife down. I'm so serious. Put the knife down.
Fucking mouth.
Put the knife
Shut
down.
your fucking
Put
mouth.
it on the ground. Sit.
Really?
Sit on the ground.
No.
Yes.
No, shoot me.
Yeah.
Shoot me. I'll
Put it on the ground.
I'll kill you, you stupid little bitch.
He's following me around with a knife.
I'll fucking slice your fucking
another new
throat.
unit. I need another
Oh,
unit.
jeez.
Hey, put it on the ground.
What?
Put it on the ground.
What on the
Put
ground?
it, the knife.
What on the ground?
Put the
Shut
knife
your
on the ground.
fucking mouth. And
Put
get
the
your
knife-
fucking ass away from me.
Put the knife on the ground.
Shut up.
Put the knife on the ground.
Shut up.
Put the knife on the ground.
Shut up.
Put the knife on the ground. 998. 998. Put the knife.
I got it on video. You're with us. Fuck that.
Hey,
That fucking
get on. Stay on the ground. Stay on the ground. Hey, put it on the ground. What? Put it on the ground. What? On the ground. The knife. What on the ground? Put the knife on the ground. Put the knife on the ground. Put the knife on the ground.
Shut up.
Put the knife
Shut
on the
up.
ground.
Shut up.
Put the knife on the
Shut
ground.
up.
998.
We are witness for you.
I got it all on video.